teach you guys how to set up the D&C machine and use it in a case of an emergency D&C procedure. So we have your OBGYN emergency cart, and it has the D&E bucket with everything that you should need for it. There's also extra supplies kept underneath here, and the machine is always set up ready to go at all times. This machine is kept in what we call the war room, but the label is called clean supply room, right by the door across from the PACU crash cart, and I will show you where that room is when we do our scavenger hunt and all of that. Regina will show you the stuff that will need to be open to the field sterilely for the strep test.
Okay, with your cannulas, the doctor will come in and she will ask you what size they want. And you will give them the size accordingly. If you don't have it in here, they are in here. They are straight and curved. Most of the time we will use curved. So this is where you will find that, the cannula.
For curette.
For the curette, yes. And then the collector hose that is disposable. It has two ends. The long clear end that has an opening, that particular one is the sterile part. This end, which is short, will hook up to this small port right here to the filter where the specimen will be collected. So you take this, you put it here, you keep this open to the sterile field, and then the cannula, the curette, whatever they want to call it, will go in the sterile end, and this will be handed to the doctor to perform the procedure. And that's all it is to that, basically. To turn it on, of course, once you get ready, you turn it on. So and you can hear it. The motor begins. If the motor's not running, it's not on.
Yeah, so when the machine is plugged in, the suction can either be continuous or intermittent. The intermittent is for the foot pedal. The doctors very, very rarely use that. Yeah. They're almost always going to want continuous suction. So you can, if you don't know which side is which, you can hear it when you press the button. Whichever one is making the continuous noise is the continuous side. Middle is off. And then if you need to increase the pressure, you would just turn this wheel till you got to the desired pressure that the surgeon wants. But the machine typically is set at what they would usually use.
Yeah.
If you do use this machine, just make sure to communicate to our team right away that you've used it so that we can have it reset up the way it needs to so that it can be good to go next time it's needed.